Today we learn about birds' name. Let's start. Parrot. This is parrot. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Crow. This is crow. Owl. This is owl. Peacock. This is peacock. Hen. This is hen. Eagle. This is eagle. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Seagull. This is seagull. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Robin. This is robin. Spoonbill. This is spoonbill. Cranes. These are cranes. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Hornbill. This is hornbill. Swan. This is swan. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Goose. This is goose. Duck. This is duck. Penguin. This is penguin. Turkey. This is turkey. Dove. This is dove. Now let's learn one by one. Parrot. Crow. Sparrow. Eagle. Kingfisher. Hen. Pigeon. Owl. Dove. Woodpecker. Robin. Spoonbill. Seagull. Peacock. Cranes. Hummingbird. Dove. Hornbill. Swan. Ostrich. Duck. Turkey. Goose. Penguin. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.